Clear prop, thumbs up, and he will launch. Bada boom, bada boom. The bird is at channel 105, transmitter is on, I have control. GPS is locked. Okay, loop time 60, rallies out 400. Home 27456. Alright. Right now is the pre-flight checklist. Everything we have to do before we send the bird up into the air so we can get the mission up and running. Clear prop, thumbs up, and he will launch. Bada boom, bada boom. Right now is a couple of damaged buildings from the Hurricane Michael, and trying to get a good lay of how everything looks. Whether it's damaged buildings, damaged roofs, collapsed buildings, anything we can get to help the guys on the ground try to secure the surrounding area. All right, I'm at altitude of 375, I'm still good. Right now, bringing the bird back into our landing spot so that we can assess all the images and refit the bird if necessary. Basically, when landing this aircraft, it busts into pieces to mitigate all the shock. That way we can keep using it over and over for multiple missions. Now the bird is landed, just mark our time and how long we flown. So that's 10:13, 13-minute flight. We got all the photos. Now time to go get the bird.